In today's digital first world, businesses interact with customers across multiple touchpoints: websites, mobile apps, email campaigns, social media, and more. However, managing and unifying this data to create a single source of truth is a major challenge. That's where Segment, a leading customer data platform or CDP, plays a crucial role. Segment empowers businesses to collect, clean, and activate customer data from various sources, ensuring that marketing, sales, product, and analytics teams have accurate and consistent data to drive decision making. Whether you operate in e-commerce, SaaS, fintech, or other industry, Segment helps eliminate data silos, improve customer insights, and enhance personalization. In this video, we'll explore Segment's key features and why it's a game-changing solution for businesses looking to optimize their customer data strategy. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the unified data collection from multiple sources. Segment allows businesses to track customer interactions across websites, mobile apps, cloud services, and offline touchpoints in real time. By eliminating fragmented data silos, all teams have access to a centralized, accurate data source that enhances collaboration and decision making. Another key feature is the identity resolution and single customer view. With Segment, businesses can consolidate user activity across different devices and platforms into a single customer view by linking multiple identifiers such as emails, device IDs, and session data. This ensures consistent and personalized user experiences by keeping track of every customer's journey across various touchpoints. Another key feature is the no-code data routing and seamless integrations. Segment supports 400 plus pre-built integrations, allowing businesses to send data to CRM systems, marketing automation tools, analytics platforms, and customer support software, all without engineering effort. This saves valuable development time and enables non-technical teams to activate data instantly for marketing, analytics, and customer support operations. Another key feature is the data governance and privacy compliance. Segment provides robust data validation tools, privacy controls, and consent management features to help businesses comply with global data regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. This enhances data integrity, reduces compliance risks, and fosters customer trust by ensuring ethical data collection and processing. Another key feature is the event tracking and schema management. With segments tracking plan and schema, businesses can define and enforce consistent event tracking standards, preventing duplicate or messy data from polluting their analytics systems. This improves reporting accuracy and ensures that teams work with high quality structured data. Another key feature is the real time data activation and customer engagement. Segment enables real time event streaming, allowing businesses to trigger personalized marketing campaigns, in app messages, push notifications, and automated workflows based on live customer behavior. This drives higher engagement, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction by delivering relevant content at the right moment. So, why is Segment a great choice? Segment stands out as a best in class customer data platform because of its ability to unify, clean, and distribute customer data with minimal engineering effort. Unlike traditional analytics tools that simply track data, Segment acts as a central data hub, ensuring that every system within a business receives accurate, real time customer data. One of Segment's key advantages is its identity resolution capabilities. So many businesses struggle with fragmented customer identities across different platforms, leading to inconsistent user experiences. With Segment's identity resolution engine, businesses can merge multiple data points into a single, unified customer profile, ensuring that every department, from marketing to customer support, works with the same reliable information. Another significant benefit of using Segment is its low code and no code integration framework, which allows businesses to connect with over 400 third party tools, including Google Analytics, HubSpot, Facebook Ads, Mixpanel, Snowflake, and Salesforce, without writing custom code. This flexibility empowers non technical teams to take full advantage of customer data, reducing dependency on developers and accelerating time to value for new initiatives. Beyond integration, Segment excels in privacy compliance and data governance also. With the increasing importance of data protection laws like GDPR and CCPA, businesses need to ensure that they are handling customer data responsibly. So ultimately, Segment is more than just a data collection tool. It's a comprehensive, privacy conscious, and AI enhanced platform that helps businesses become truly data driven. So, whether you're looking to improve marketing efficiency, enhance customer experiences, or streamline data governance, Segment provides the foundation needed to maximize the value of your customer data. So, Segment is an essential customer data platform that enables businesses to collect, unify, and activate customer data seamlessly. With its robust identity resolution, real time event tracking, seamless integrations, and AI driven insights, Segment helps businesses eliminate data silos, enhance personalization, and optimize customer engagement strategies. So, if you're looking to unify your customer data, improve your decision making, and drive smarter marketing strategies, Segment is the perfect solution. So start using Segment today and unlock the full potential of your customer insights. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.